Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to have a tutorial video about chapter 10, which is tackled about application layers. So if you're interested, so chapter 10, which is application layer. 10 types of application layer are HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, TFTP, IMAP, DNS, PAP, IMAP, BOOTP, DHCP. So, the application layers is closest to the end user. Network application enable users to send and receive data with ease. The application layer acts as interface between the applications and the underlying network. Application layer protocols helps exchange data between programs running on the source and destination host. The TCP IP application layer performs the functions of the upper three layers of the OSI model. The Domain Name Service or DNS protocol reserves internet names to IP addresses. Hypertext Transfer Protocol refers to the files that makes up the web pages of the World Wide Web. The Simple Mail Transfer or SMTP transfer mails, messages, and attachment. Telnet or a terminal emulation protocol provides remote access to servers and networking devices. The file transfer protocol FTP transfer files between systems. The network access layer of the TCP/IP model performs the same functions as the physical and data link layers of the OSI model. The internal work layers equates to the network layer of the OSI model. The transport layers are the same in the both models. The application layer of the TCP/IP model represents the sessions, representations, and application layers of the OSI model. The application layer of the TCP/IP model is the layer that closest to the end users, providing the interface between the application. It is responsible, compressing and encrypting data. It is used to create and between source-destination application. The application layer of the TCP/IP model performs the functions of three layers of OSI model: application, presentation, and session. The application layer of the TCP/IP model is the layer that provides the interface between the application, is responsible for formatting, compressing, encrypting data, and is used to create and maintain dialogues between source and destinations application. When a user types a domain name of a website into the address bar of the web browser, a workstation needs to send a DNS request to the DNS server for the name resolution process. This request is a client-server model application. The EMUL application of P2P sharing printer workstation in peer-to-peer network using ARP is just a broadcast message sent by the host. In a both client and a peer-to-peer network models, clients and servers exist. In a peer-to-peer networks, no dedicated servers exist. Server role to provide information to device serving. A manufacturing company subscribes to a certain hosted services from its ISP. The services that are required include hosted worldwide web file transfer and an email, which protocol represents three key applications. The ISP uses the HTTP protocol in conjunction with hosting web pages. The FTP protocol with file transfers, and SMTP with the email. DNS is used to translate domain names and IP addresses. Used to network management traffic. DHCP is commonly used to manage IP address. Two students are working on a network design project. One student is doing the drawing while the other student is writing the proposal. The drawing is finished and the student wants to share the folder that contains the drawing so that the other student can access the file and copy it to the USB drive. Which networking models is being used? In a peer-to-peer networking model, data is exchanged between two network devices without the use of dedicated server. When retrieving email messages, which protocols allows for easy, centralized storage and backups of emails that will be desirable for a small to medium-sized business. IMAP is referred for small medium-sized businesses, as IMAP allows centralized storage and backup emails with copies of the emails being forwarded to the clients. PAP delivers the emails to the clients and deletes them on the email server. SMTP is used to send emails and not receive them. HTTP is not used to secure web browsing. Which application layer protocols is used to provide file sharing and print services to Microsoft application? The SMB is used in Microsoft networking for file sharing and print services. The Linux operating system provides a method of sharing resources with the Microsoft network by using a version of SMB called Samba. On a home network which device is mostly to provide dynamic IP addressing to clients on the home networks. On a home network, a home router usually serves as a DHCP server. The home router is responsible for dynamically assigning IP addresses to clients on the home networks. ISPs also use DHCP, but it usually assigns an IP address to the internet interface of the home router, not the clients on the home network. In businesses, it is common to have a file or another dedicated server provide DHCP services to the network. Finally, the DNS server is responsible for finding the IP address for a URL, not providing dynamic addressing to network clients. So that's all for chapter 10. I hope you enjoy watching and I hope you stay tuned to my next video.